After having over 24 people reach out to us about Save Club, it is safe to say right now, Save Club is hot. And the reason why it's so hot right now is because in this economy, in this day and age, what people want truly, everyone, regardless of their profession or their job or their business, is to save money on everyday purchases and to also be able to make more money on a regular, consistent basis. But I have to warn you and tell you the truth. I am not a Save Club customer or affiliate yet. Over the next few minutes, I'm going to walk you through, number one, exactly why Save Club could be a great affiliate marketing opportunity for you, a great way as well to save money and a lot more. And number two, if you are looking to build an income stream with Save Club, I want to actually share with you a new traffic and lead source we're using right now that you could potentially use to scale this offer. Number one, what is Save Club? What is it about? How does it work? And who owns it? Charles Moy, the CEO of Save Club, is a multi-business owner who has launched multiple different network marketing companies over the past few years. But what is Save Club exactly? Save Club is a digital membership program designed to help users save money on literally everyday purchases, while also offering an opportunity to earn residual income through its affiliate network. You get access to an extensive savings network that they've built over the past few years, including retailers, restaurants, travel partners, and a lot more, including automatic cash back and global accessibility. This is literally available in over 150 countries. It is truly and literally worldwide. Now that you understand what it is, I want to walk through its compensation plan, why you should potentially become a customer and join this, and what it can really do for you different than a lot of other companies are offering right now.
What we're running here is a matrix, a 2x16 matrix. And this matrix is very generous in its payout. Like you saw from the last slide, it's scheduled to pay out up to 80.5% of the dollars taken in. We don't shade anything here with silly BV or conversions from dollars to some points or anything. It's dollars in and payout out. We're just running on straight 100% a dollar for dollar payouts. And if you were to build out a matrix and not enroll anybody, you could earn up to $4,095. Now that never happens. That rarely ever happens for something like that. But the idea is someone could come in here and start earning passive income by just having the company fill out. And today is day one. I can just imagine where we're going to be at in a year from now. But to say that we're going to have hundreds of thousands, a million or more members from all over the world is not an exaggeration. And so once you get in and you introduce more people to the program, you earn a match on people's matrix check. And earning a match on that part is where some of our largest earning is going to be provided. As enrolling people and earning a match on their matrix check is a big part of this compensation plan. And as we're getting started now, as you enroll people now, and you've got such a head start being here on day one, there'll be some big earning from the people that are on this call now.
So should you become a part of Save Club? I think if you're doing regular everyday shopping and you want money back, or you want to become a part of the affiliate opportunity, I think definitely take a look at it. Now, there is a link in the description of this video, but it is not mine at all. In no way do I earn from you joining Save Club. It is in fact around a dozen different Save Club's members links that you can join right now. You might be asking, John, why would you promote or talk about Save Club if you don't make any money from it directly? Because these people who are in Save Club are a part of our traffic and lead system, because we deliver the best network marketing and affiliate marketing leads, and buyer traffic there is on the market. So we decided, because we actually care about helping our customers and helping people grow their businesses, when we do review videos like this, we're not going to promote our link. We're going to promote the people who buy our traffic, their link to get them buyers and to get them customers. So please, if you were considering and just want to opt in and learn more about Save Club and how it can help you save money or help you earn a great income from home, go ahead and click the link in the description below to join Save Club underneath one of these incredible people and incredible customers of ours.